mga ka-MSIM. Hello mga sir, hello mga ma'am. It's me. Welcome to my official YouTube channel, MSIM. Today, I will be sharing 10 reasons why Motolite is the best recommended automobile battery. Survey consistently show that Motolite, the automotive battery market leader, is still highly recommended by experts and experienced motorists. Those most familiar with Philippine conditions like weather and road quality. Not that there has been no competition, foreign brands have entered the market offering their premium batteries at low prices to get a foothold among consumers. Here are the 10 reasons why Motolite continues to be the recommended and the best battery in the market. Number 1. Made for the Philippines. Motolite knows the peculiarities of the market and they produce their products accordingly, fitting Filipino needs and conditions. Many competing brands are produced abroad, designed to meet a variety of conditions, a variety of countries. Adjusting to meet so many markets may also affect the consistency and quality of the product. Number 2. Tropicalized. Motolite batteries are specifically designed for tropical use so they can withstand high temperatures under the hood. In the Philippines, temperatures regularly rise above 40 degrees Celsius, punishing batteries with both the heat generated by the engine and the climate, especially during the summer. If not designed properly, the lifespan of battery will be considerably shortened by this heat. The heat can speed up the evaporation of electrolytes, exposing the plates inside and damaging them. Heat-related tests showed that Motolite batteries have 40% more life cycles compared to the other batteries in the market. Number 3. Design tough. The vibration standard set by Australia for automotive batteries is considered the most stringent globally, taking into considerations the many rough roads on its outback. Using this Australian model for the vibration test, it was proven that Motolite batteries have 50% the more recharge and discharge cycles than those of competing brands. Number 4. Smart construction. Motolite batteries have a well thought out internal design, designed and manufactured using German technology. Its plates are interconnected using specially made tracks. It also has a built-in cooling mechanism that prevents the evaporation of electrolytes. Number 5. Ensuring quality. Motolite manufactures its own acid for its electrolytes to ensure purity. Battery acid impurities can include iron, chromium, and manganese, among others. These impurities promote gassing, thus increasing the water loss rate and making the plates more vulnerable to damage caused by heat. Higher water loss also causes internal short circuits that could even cause the battery to explode. Number 6. Recycling. Even old Motolite batteries are cared for. In partnership with its accredited third-party recycler, Evergreen Environmental Resources Incorporated, ABS-CBN Foundation, and Philippine Business for Social Progress, Motolite collects and recycles some 3 million used batteries annually. Number 7. Rescue App. Motolite makes it easy to handle battery or any related automotive problem. If you need help with a dead battery, overheating, flat tires, and emergency fuel, just use the Motolite Rescue app, and a technician will be dispatched to your location to attend to your needs. This service is free for Motolite user. Number 8. MOTOLITE Express Hatid. Motolite brings the battery to you, ready to receive your call 24/7. Our well-trained customer service representatives manning the hotline of Motolite Express Hatid. Just dial the number and your order for Motolite batteries or request for assistance will be attended to. Like the rescue app, if you need assistance for flat tires, overheating, emergency fuel, and battery replacement, just call Motolite or text MSIM Battery Trading. Number 9. Made by Filipinos. Motolite also gives Filipinos jobs. Motolite recognizes Filipino talent and is a top employer, be it at its Bulacan plant or its numerous outlets nationwide. Help protect the livelihood of Filipinos by buying the locally made brand. The last but not the least, number 10, reliable reputation. Whether in warranty or already months beyond the warranty's expiry, Motolite batteries give you confidence that when you turn the ignition key, the engine will start. Other brands may offer a long warranty, but they also have a very high return rate. With Motolite, there is reputation for longevity coupled with its inconvenient and quick services. With Motolite, there's its reputation for longevity coupled with its convenient and quick services. Now you know why Motolite is the best recommended automobile batteries.